Welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a sunburst mirror. Enjoy! I use two types of barbecue skewers. I use this purely natural barbecue skewers. They're purely bamboo. And then I also used bonito skewers. I used two different types because, as you can see, this one's a 35 centimeters. They're longer than the bonito skewers. This one is also thicker. Yeah? So it's a bit thicker, and this one's a thinner and shorter. As I said, we're making a sunburst mirror. So for this mirror, the most important thing to buy is a mirror. I got my mirror from Chandarana at Life Plaza. It's a really cute mirror. I honestly feel bad that I have to paint it, right? But yeah, so I got it for 950 shillings. The third item that we're going to need for this DIY is a can of spray paint. I'm going to use gold spray paint because I think it's glam and I love glam. Oh my god. Anyway, I think it's gonna work out with the theme of my room, and yeah, that's what I'm going for. So get yourself a can of spray paint, whichever color, green, blue, whichever color that suits you. Enough of the glam. It's about time I get to work. So I'm about to start working on the skewers and the mirror. I need to spray paint them gold, as I stated earlier. Shout out to Mara Sugar for my overall. Oh my god, it really helps me and it's so cool. Let's do this! Before I paint my mirror, I'm going to cover the inside of the mirror with masking tape so that the spray paint doesn't get to the mirror surface. When you're covering the mirror, make sure that you can't see any spaces, because those spaces are going to be your mirror will spoil. So don't allow it to have any spaces. And then for mine, since it had a string, I unscrewed this and I took it off. So now it's time to glue the bamboo sticks to my mirror. This different sizes of bamboo skewers is because of the pattern I'm going to make. On the far right, you can see that I have very long bamboo skewers. Those are 13 inches. The ones in the middle are 6 inches, and the ones on the far left are 4 inches. As you can see, what I've done to my mirror, I've put in I've already segmented it. That's where all my bamboo sticks are going to fall. I divided my mirror into 10 degrees. So I'm going to use 36 bamboo sticks. To hold my bamboo sticks to my mirror, I'm going to be using my glue gun. There is my glue gun. I'm going to be using my glue gun with those glue sticks right there to be placing the bamboo sticks to the mirror. Guys, so we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked this video, remember to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of these awesome videos. Thank you. Woo! I'm out.